Oh, y'all already got some feed. Daddy already fed y'all. And I won't sprinkle much out. I didn't know he'd already fed y'all. This is my favorite part. Nobody's home. Some eggs. Beautiful. My phone case keeps getting in the way. Let me get them all. 1 green, 3 brown. Rebel, you leave them chickens alone. You leave them chickens alone.